So the best way to kind of visualize this is just by looking at an ETF called Clix, CLIX. So that's a long short portfolio of retail stocks, brick and mortar short, and then the online retailers long. So the online retailers have really, so that's why this ETF has been going up like this. You're talking about, you know, a 35-40% rally here since October, and it's at the high, it's at the peak of the rally. And that has, I mean, for a long short book, right? The CTF is a long short book. And the reason that's been happening is because the online retailers have really, really been rallying, which is interesting. So you could take a look at an ETF called ONLN, which is your online retailers. So that's something I'm watching. I think from a subsector point of view over the last 3 months, it's definitely one of the only other sector really matching online retailer returns have been gold miners, and that's because gold went ballistic, obviously. So I'm just kind of looking at that. It's interesting because overall the Q has been underperforming the S&P 500, but not in all spots. So like these online retailers are doing pretty well, within the retail sector. So I'm just, again, I mean, that's the theme we were talking about over the last couple of weeks, just a highly, highly rotational market, even within the same sector.